when I do the line, I don't breathe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm looking a little crusty right now. I am going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. If you guys want to see what I do, not every day, but when I do leave my house and I want to look decent, like a human being, this is what I do to make myself look alive. So stay tuned for that. Excuse me if I keep looking down, it's because I am looking at the monitor on my computer, literally looking at myself. So to start my makeup routine, or my everyday makeup routine, I usually prime my face, but I'm not going to prime it because I'm not going to waste my primer for a video, because I know I'm going to take it off right away after that I film this. So I would recommend you guys to use a Smashbox primer. It's really good. Or you could use a One Heck of a Black primer, which helped me out a lot with my whole makeup routine. So I will link those down below so you guys could try those. To start off with this look, I'm going to use my Milani Concealer Perfecto in One Foundation and Concealer in the color 09. And I'm just going to use the pump and just apply it like this because I had a beauty blender, but for some reason I lost it because my makeup was just going around everywhere. I'm going to use this brush that I got at a makeup workshop from BS Smalls as a face round brush. I'm going to buff this into my face. Why my face looks like that on camera? I'm gonna use this flat brush to buff that in more because it's looking a little yellowish on camera. I don't know why, but usually when I use this foundation it oxidizes. So we're gonna ignore the fact that my face looks a whole lot yellow, and I'm just gonna conceal my under eyes with the LA Girl concealer. Usually I would use translucent setting powder, but like I said, my makeup be running around everywhere. Literally, people borrow my stuff and never had time to go get it. So I'm gonna use this NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat powder foundation. As I'm doing this, I'm just gonna let you guys know right now, you guys are gonna see this video up way before my new eyebrow routine, I guess, because I'm gonna delete the old one, or I don't know if I should keep it up. Comment down below if you guys think I should keep up the eyebrow routine I have and just upload a new one, a more in-depth and better version, I guess. So yeah, now that my face is looking kind of matte, I use this bum-ass thing because I'm telling you my makeup is all over the place. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. If you guys want to see eyebrow tutorial, make sure to comment and like this video. I forgot where I left off. Now I gotta do my eyeliner.
That's the new makeup now. The only thing that she does is eyeliner.
Yeah, because I'm doing my everyday makeup routine.
Oh.
So I'm doing like what I do every day, and I've been practicing my eyeliner so that way I could perfect it.
That's my shit. That's my highlighter.
No, nigga, we have the same shit. We got it.
No, I put mine in your bag.
Nah, there's only one here.
No, búscalo en la cartera negra que tú tenías. It was there. I put it there. The day that we went to Viva.
It's not there, bro. When I left your crib, no estaba ahí. Fuck it. I'm not even. I was doing a talk video, but I'ma just do it. Oh my god, that's not even how I do my eyeliner. I'm shaking.
Not a year. Oh, I
So when I do my eyeliner, shut up. When I do my eyeliner, I usually do a line first. Kylie, listen, you gotta learn too. So I usually do a line first on both sides. In a corner.
make no sense. It's okay.
And that's it for my eyes for my everyday. Now I'm gonna go on to the reason why I did my eyes before finishing my face is because I was doing an eyebrow tutorial. So now I'm gonna use this Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Cafe. I'm gonna use it as a contour. I'm gonna apply it and then blend it out as I go. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna use this highlighter from BH Cosmetics. It's called Wilder Radiant. I'm gonna use this brush from MAC, brush 116 from MAC. So to finish off, I usually just put a lip color or just put some lip gloss or just Blistex or anything. I'm gonna put this Kylie Jenner lipstick in the color True Brown K.